Calian really gave me an opportunity to carve out a career path for myself. Also, they really believe in work-life balance. They talk the talk and walk the walk.
I like working at Calian because it is a fun place to work. They have a great strategic vision and the energy to execute. Their foremost thought is on the health and welfare of their customer and employees.
I like the people that I work with. I enjoy coming into work every day, and I feel supported in my role and in raising a family.